Let me introduce this T360 skid steer loader. The color of the car is outdoor white and black, in 2 colors. The overall height is 1.3 meters. With a standard plug, the total length is 2.1 meters. Without plug, the total length is 1.45 meters. The width of the car is 0.9 meters. Bucket width is 1.05 meters. Bucket volume is 0.12 cubic meters. The maximum operating height is 2.45 meters. To the height of the bucket box is 1.87 meters. The maximum flat height is 1.81 meters. Rated load is 200 kilograms. The maximum load is 300 kilograms. The maximum lifting force is 35 kilonewtons. The maximum unloading distance is 0.45 meters. Ground clearance is 15 centimeters. The engineering track is 18 by 72. The model is equipped with a single-cylinder engine with dual pumps and valves with accurate and powerful power output. First, turn on the power. Second, give a little throttle. The third step is to start the engine. Push forward to move forward. Pull the lever backward to move backward. Push the left lever to the left. Lift the arm. Push right to lower the arm. Push the right lever to the left. Push the right lever to retract the bucket and push it to the middle. The bucket operating lever. Push forward and backward, rotate 360 degrees.